That's so cute. Look at the heart.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look, it's moving.
Oh, wow. It's doing the yoga. Or soccer.
Oh, it's moving around.
See the little face?
Yeah.
Little eyes?
Aww. It's like in and out.
Like a little monkey with its arm above
Yeah.
his head.
Oh, it's drifting away.
There's a hand right here.
Okay.
Now, and these are knees.
Okay.
Should we look in between the legs?
Sure.
Well, the legs are together, but when you look in between right here,
Uh-huh.
I think I'm seeing something in there. A little penis. Here. I think that's what I'm seeing. I want to get a really good picture of it.
Oh my goodness, it's bigger than I thought. Is that the heart?
That's the heart beating.
Wow.
Okay,
That's-
this is his boy parts. That's the scrotum. And
Okay.
that's the penis. So we got us a boy for sure.
Yay!
Oh.
Okay, Ma, you owe me 100.
Now here's his little feet.
Wow. That's what's been kicking me.
Soccer player.
Maybe they go by fast.
How big is it? How many inches? I don't know
Probably
if you can
about
tell.
8 or 9.
8 or 9.
From head to
10,
foot?
maybe 10 inches.
Wow.
Because you're almost halfway done. And then here we go, the
That's
whole
so little
baby.
cute. Look at the big eyes.
Oh, looking at us.
There's my eyes.
Go back later and see that move. That's the jaw. Just
Okay.
a second ago
Wow.
it moved.
And the skull. Kind of, I can see the skull.
Yeah,
The little brain.
the brain.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Okay,
so
I guess
cool.
I get busy.
Okay.
All right.